GJF Elections 2016 Process of Counting of Votes and Result Declaration. The following presentation is for representation only. Moving on, panels for election purpose. Total zonal chairman will be from above panel and the total number of seats are 20. Moving on, election committee. The election committee is divided into Election Authority, Colonel T.K. Das, Election Agency, Finis Interactive, CEO, GJF, Company Secretary, GJF. Moving on, timeline. The timeline is also available on our website www.gjf.in. The below have eligibility to vote. Ordinary member GJF, authorized representative under registered membership application, one member, one vote for zonal chairman and as per panel seat as divided below. Elect zonal chairman of respective zone and elect COA member for respective panel. Below is the eligibility for candidacy. Ordinary member GJF, authorized representative under registered membership application, authorized representative under registered membership application fulfill the criteria of any one of the panel defined according to the Articles of Association. Conform to the proforma notification prescribed by the election authority. Chairmen will secure their panel seat as per the AOA. Panel results will be derived for the remaining panel seats only. Election authority will declare the result after both the results are derived. In East, West Bengal, Orissa, Bihar, Jharkhand, Manipur, Tripura, Assam, Sikkim. In West, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Daman and Diu. In North, New Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan. In South, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Pondicherry and Andaman and Nicobar. Structure of COA: 4 zonal chairmen representing panel plus 16 panel members and 3 co-opted makes a total of 23 COA. As you can see in the graph, these are the number of seats available in the 12 panels consisting of below. Large manufacturer, diamond. Large manufacturer, jewelry. Medium manufacturer, jewelry. Small manufacturer, jewelry. Large retailer, medium retailer. Small retailer, large wholesaler. Small and medium wholesaler. Small and medium manufacturing silver jewelry. Precious metal, bullion. Small and medium manufacturing color stone. 23 COA members. Of these, 20 will be elected and 3 will be co-opted, which are: first, IPC, second, to be elected by COA, and third, to be co-opted by chairman and approved by COA. Election process for zonal chairman. 4 zonal chairmen will be elected from North, South, East and West. Election process for zonal chairman. The zonal chairman can be from any of the 12 panels, but from the respective zone only. All eligible members of a zone shall vote for the zonal chairman candidates of their zones. The candidate who gets maximum votes from each zone is eligible to be elected as chairman of that zone. Now, let's illustrate the election process for zonal chairman. Draw of round 1. In this illustration, the 4 candidates are elected from medium retailer panel, but there are only 3 seats for this panel. Hence, the candidate with lowest percentage of polled votes will get replaced with candidate with second highest vote from same zone, but must be from a different panel. Now, move on. Representation from each zone. One zone can have maximum 7 representatives. In case there is an 8th winning panelist from a particular zone that has its quota of 7 elected, the candidate with second largest votes from a different zone shall be nominated as defined in the election rules. For illustration only. Scenario 1. Special case for panels having 2 or 3 seats and the number of contestants are also the same. Example 1. Small retailer panel has 2 seats and if there are only 2 contestants, the following process shall be adopted. The eligible voter will cast his vote to one candidate out of the 2 to determine the first and the second choice for eligibility for draw of lots. During draw of lots by the election authority, the contestant of this panel securing majority of votes will be considered in the first round of draw of lots. The contestant securing the second highest votes will be considered in the subsequent draw of lots, provided there is vacancy in the candidate's zone at the time when the card is being pulled out by the election authority. This process is being conducted to adhere to the principles of fair and natural justice as defined by the election rules. All panel candidates, irrespective of the fact that they have contested and secured maximum votes or are unopposed, have to go through the second stage of election process, that is, draw of lots. Now moving on to scenario 2, 1 seat and only 1 candidate. Example 2. If there is 1 seat and 1 candidate, this does not assure an automatic nomination. This is due to the constraint arising out of number of available seats per zone, maximum 7. In this case, the candidate's name will be considered for the random sequence of draw of lots that will be derived by the election authority. This process is being conducted to adhere to the principle of fair and natural justice as defined by the election rules. All panel candidates, irrespective of the fact that they have contested and secured maximum votes or are unopposed, have to go through the second stage of election process, that is, draw of lots. Now, moving on to voting structure for 20 COA, maximum of 7 to be elected from each zone, north, south, east and west. Process of counting of votes of panels and result declaration. Now moving on to election authority. Step 1. Election authority pulls out a panel name randomly from a covered box. Step 2. Election authority then checks with the election agency the highest voted person within the respective panel. Step 3. Such name is then added to the list of COA board under the respective zone he or she belongs to. In case of a panel is vacant during election, it will be declared as casual vacancy and will be filled in accordance with the AOA of GJF. This process will be videographed for records. Thank you for paying attention. For any query, kindly contact 022 6738 2700.